So I'm going to be showing you guys an awesome trick for how you can make picture collages on your iPhone 15. Now, in this example, I'm going to be using the 15 Plus, and you are going to need to use a third-party app, and the one I'm going to be recommending here is going to be Adobe Photo Express. Now, this is basically the Adobe Photoshop app for your iPhone, and it's free to use, okay? It's got over 700,000 five-star reviews. Yes, I have to repeat that, 700,000, and it's awesome. So anyways, when you open it up, this is what it looks like, and you're going to see the third or fourth option over, you've got the collage. Now, what you want to do is tap on collage, and this is where you can basically add as many photos as you want. Now, I'm going to do 3 for this first example, but I'm going to do another one after this. After you've selected your photos, you're just going to click next, and what's really cool is they're going to give you all these different example options. I'm going to go with this one right here, and you can see it just makes a collage by itself. Now, there are tons of different options you can go with as far as the style of collage, but I'm just going to save this one as my first example, and looks like it's having an issue going back, but we'll check this out real quick in my photos so you guys can see it. And it's awesome. And I have to repeat, this app is free to use, okay? It does not cost anything. Of course, if you guys want to check this app out, right now I will throw some resource links directly below in the description of this video. But like I said, I want to do one other example here, so let's close it out, reopen it. We'll add some different options. Fourth option over, collage. Once again here, I'm just going to select 3 different options. But like I said, you can add as many photos as you want for your collages. And then we'll go with one of the options down here. That one looks pretty sweet. That looks awesome right there. So cool. Okay, anyways, I'm going to save it. We'll take another peek at this one. Okay, there it is. Awesome. And there are a lot of other things that the Adobe Photo Express app here can do. This is just one of them, and it's awesome, and it's just super easy. Anybody can do this. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.